Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn IELTS English step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including the 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Knowing the format helps you prepare strategically. Next, assess your current English skills to pinpoint areas needing improvement. This initial evaluation is crucial for creating a personalized study plan. Finally, establish clear, achievable band score targets to guide your learning journey effectively. To excel in IELTS, focus on developing your core English skills. For listening, immerse yourself in podcasts, news, and documentaries to improve comprehension and note-taking. For reading, engage with various texts like journals and newspapers to enhance your speed and understanding of complex ideas. Writing practice should involve crafting well-organized essays and reports, paying close attention to grammar and coherence. Consistent practice across all areas is key to steady progress. Mastering test-taking strategies is vital for a high IELTS score. For the listening and reading sections, practice specific question types, such as multiple choice, matching, and gap filling, to improve accuracy. Develop effective time management skills to ensure you complete all tasks within the allotted time. For speaking, practice answering common questions fluently and coherently. In writing, learn to structure your responses logically and use a wide range of vocabulary and grammar. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of IELTS success. Regularly take full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment and identify areas for further improvement. Leverage official IELTS resources, including sample questions and examiner reports, to understand expectations. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Stay motivated, review your mistakes, and celebrate small victories on your path to achieving your desired band score.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.